Toenail fungus is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, often leading to discomfort and embarrassment. This pesky condition can not only impact your foot health but also take a toll on your confidence, making you hesitant to show off your feet. In this video, we'll explore effective natural remedies that can help you tackle toenail fungus quickly and safely. You'll learn about various home treatments, such as essential oils and dietary changes, that can promote healing and restore your nails to their former glory. Additionally, we'll share essential prevention tips to keep fungus at bay in the future. It's crucial to address toenail fungus promptly, as neglecting it can lead to more severe complications, including pain and potential spread to other nails or skin. So, let's dive in and reclaim your healthy, beautiful feet. Toenail fungus, medically known as onychomycosis, is a fungal infection that develops in or under the toenails. It typically starts when fungi invade the nail bed, often thriving in warm, damp environments. This condition can arise from various sources, including walking barefoot in public places, such as pools or gyms, where fungi are prevalent. Common symptoms of toenail fungus include discoloration, often yellow or brown, thickening of the nail, and brittleness that can lead to crumbling or splitting. These changes can be unsightly and uncomfortable, making it essential to recognize them early. Several risk factors contribute to the development of toenail fungus, including poor hygiene, exposure to damp environments, and weakened immune systems due to age or underlying health conditions. Understanding these aspects can help you take proactive steps to prevent and treat this common issue effectively. When it comes to tackling toenail fungus naturally, several remedies have shown promising results. One of the most effective is tea tree oil, renowned for its potent antifungal properties. To use it, simply apply a few drops directly onto the affected nail twice daily, allowing it to absorb fully. Another powerful ally is apple cider vinegar, which not only helps restore the nail's pH balance but also creates an inhospitable environment for fungi. You can soak your feet in a mixture of equal parts apple cider vinegar and water for about 30 minutes daily, or apply it directly to the nail with a cotton ball. Lastly, garlic is a natural antifungal powerhouse that can be easily incorporated into your routine. Crush a few cloves and mix them with olive oil to create a paste, then apply it to the affected area for its healing benefits. These remedies can be effective in promoting healthier nails. Preventing toenail fungus from recurring involves making some simple yet effective lifestyle changes. First and foremost, keeping your feet clean and dry is crucial. Make it a habit to wash your feet daily and thoroughly dry them, especially between the toes, where moisture can linger. Choosing breathable footwear is another key factor. Opt for shoes made from natural materials that allow air circulation. Pair them with moisture-wicking socks to help keep your feet dry throughout the day. Regular nail trimming is also essential. Keeping your nails short and well-groomed reduces the risk of fungal infections taking hold. Additionally, avoid sharing personal items like nail clippers, towels, or shoes, as these can easily transmit fungi. By adopting these preventive measures, you can significantly lower your chances of experiencing toenail fungus again, ensuring your feet stay healthy and fungus-free. While many cases of toenail fungus can be managed at home, there are certain signs that indicate it's time to consult a healthcare professional. If you experience severe pain, swelling, or redness around the affected nail, these could be signs of a more serious infection requiring medical intervention. Additionally, if the fungus spreads to other nails or skin, or if you notice significant changes in the nail's appearance, it's crucial to seek help. Untreated toenail fungus can lead to complications, such as bacterial infections or permanent nail damage, which may require more extensive treatment. If your symptoms persist or worsen despite home remedies, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. They can offer a proper diagnosis and recommend effective treatments tailored to your specific situation, ensuring you get back to healthy, beautiful nails as soon as possible. Your foot health is worth prioritizing. In summary, we've explored effective natural remedies for treating toenail fungus, including tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, and garlic, all of which can help restore your nails to health. We also discussed essential lifestyle changes, such as keeping your feet clean and dry, wearing breathable footwear, and practicing good nail hygiene to prevent future infections. Remember, early intervention is key to avoiding complications, so don't hesitate to take action at the first sign of trouble. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from it. Together, we can promote healthier habits and empower each other on our wellness journeys. Thank you for watching, and here's to happy, healthy feet.